awesome. We got what looked like 2 freight trains right outside of Elmhurst.
I think you got a freight and a passenger.
Oh, they're both freight.
Are they both freight?
Yeah. It just looks like one's holding and the other's coming up real slow. It's an intermodal. Oh, that'll make the rail fans happy. SD70Ms.
Yeah.
You don't see many of those on UP freight trains anymore.